Yeah, hey, got a little unpackaging. Got this guy pocket today. Yeah. Let's see. I haven't checked any knives out from this place yet. Monterey Bay knives. Oh. Whole extra hardware kit. Very cool. And here, the Sabertooth. They're in S90V. Titanium handle. Titanium clip. Nice size. Got a little shorter than the Arius. Cool fuller. Looks like a front flipper. Hole. Let's try the front flipper. Whoa, something in the way. Nice. The little MBK logo there. Yeah. It's a nice big one. Oops. It's the full-size Arius. This is the Sabertooth. See if the little hole works. Oh yeah. Very nice. It's a cool design. I think a lot of the MBK designs, if not most, are Ray Laconico. Always has real clean looking knives. This one's a little different. It really got my attention. Very cool. Kind of a swedge there. Nice fuller. Yeah. Reverse flick works good. Front flipper's pretty good too. MBK Sabertooth. This thing is really cool. Nice shiny satin blade. I think this looks awesome. Oh. Liner lock. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Feels good. Good grip. Yeah. First MBK knife. They're super nice. Anyway, quick little first look. Thanks for watching.